Did you know just 10 minutes of foam rolling can boost your lifespan? Watch how this simple recovery tool transforms a busy professional's health. Meet Sarah, whose 6-hour workweeks left no time for proper exercise recovery. Introducing foam rolling into her daily routine revealed surprising benefits backed by science. Research shows that regular foam rolling increases blood flow to muscles by 73%, reducing recovery time and preventing injury. By targeting her core muscles, Sarah discovered the hidden connection between muscle recovery and longevity. Studies from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research confirm that individuals who maintain better core strength through proper recovery techniques show a 45% lower risk of chronic back pain and improved posture maintenance into older age. Sarah's newfound routine not only enhanced her workout performance, but also addressed the crucial work-life balance she desperately needed. Could 10 minutes of foam rolling be the missing piece in your longevity puzzle? Drop a if you're ready to try this game-changing recovery hack.